Tonight on Ghost Host Kitchen, we are making a very tasty pecan pie muffin. Now this is a play on a classic pecan pie. It has a very similar flavor, and it all starts with half a cup of flour, followed up by a cup of brown sugar. To that we're going to add 2 eggs and then melted butter. As you can see, the ingredients here are very similar to what is in a traditional pecan pie. The only thing is that these little pecan pies come in the form of muffins. It's wonderful. They're very tasty. I challenge you to eat just one. I don't think you can do it. Anyway, you mix all the ingredients together and stir them up till they're completely mixed. Now, these can be very sticky, so when it comes time to put them in their muffin tins, I suggest that you use either a silicone muffin or use muffin papers, cupcake papers, because you don't want these things to stick. And finally, as you can see, we'll add a little bit of vanilla extract. You can also add a pinch of salt if you like, just to kind of bring out those flavors a little more. But at this point, you've got a very thick batter with lots of nuts in it. Even the batter itself tastes phenomenal. So we'll just go ahead and put these in their silicone baking cups that we have previously sprayed. There they go, right in there. And then bake them at 350 for 20 to 22 minutes. And then pop them out. If you use a silicone baking cup, they are almost virtually guaranteed to not stick. You can just flip them out right onto a wire rack to cool, just like that. Alright, now while these cool, I invite you to subscribe, hit that notify or like button, and give us a comment. Tell us whether you made these, whether you like them, whether you don't like them. We always love to hear from you. So anyway, that's the recipe for today from Ghost Host Kitchen. I hope you enjoy it, and do let us know if you try them. They taste wonderful.